Look, this is Mr. Peacock. He is fucking talking on the phone to him. It's the wrong wisdom. Oh, I love him. He does have the... Oh, I liked him. I don't like him. He is bad to Mrs. Slocum. Who are these people? They are not Wendy Richards. He looks so upset. Come here, Norman. I am Romanian. I will love you. Who is this man? Mr. Peacock. Look, she's smoking. What the fucker? Oh, look, he's getting a rat. He's like Jimmy Savile. He's getting a rat handful at the back. Norman Wisdom. He's from the Isle of Man. What the fucker? No one can understand him. Mr. Peacock, Captain Peacock. Oh. Mr. Grimsdale. Oh, I love it when he says that. It makes me laugh like a bastard.